So one of the things that comes up every time I'm looking at someone's computer is the sheer amount of where they try and fix their computer on their own before they bring it to me, which I have no problems with people doing this. It ends up being a learning experience for them. So a recent computer that had come in, the person was complaining it was slow and they were getting tons of pop-ups and they just didn't understand. And I got to looking into the installed programs that was on their computer. And, there was a driver updater and Slim Cleaner, which is Slim Cleaner is like one of the worst programs there ever is. But yeah, driver updaters and I think there was a WinZip update driver updater, which no, the WinZip is a compression software company. Why would they do driver updates? And so, yeah, once I took out all this unnecessary garbage, and did the Windows updates, and updated the drivers through the Windows, the computer was absolutely fine. It took out a lot of other junk too, but yeah, let me show you this to see if I can get this to respond this morning, because I seen on the virtual machine I've got these optional updates to do, and I believe these are probably going to be driver updates. So, but I wanted to show you this. So yeah, you go into your settings, you go into the Windows, see where it says optional updates. You can click there, and if there is a device driver that needs to be updated, it will be listed here. And this is going to be for your video card, this is going to be for your Ethernet controller, your Wi-Fi card, your sound system. If there are optional updates, go in there and look and go ahead and install them all. And so this is an update for 2004, which is the newest update. It's just, additional updates. Just eventually Microsoft will force those on you. It just might take a while. But yeah, look for those optional updates in your Windows updates. Once a month, once every couple of months, it's fine. If it gets to be an optional update that has been sitting in your queue for a long time, Microsoft might just push it on you anyways. So, but yeah, you and I've mentioned this before, driver updaters, you don't need them, because Windows does it for you. And other things, if you want to try and clean out your PC yourself or make it run better, by all means. That's why I kind of put these videos out to kind of help guide and suggest, ideas and things to do. But if you find out that, like I said, Slim Cleaner is like the absolute worst company out there to use their software. There's a bunch of fake antiviruses out there, and if I remember correctly, I've put out a video that your Windows 10 has built-in antivirus. Yeah, Windows Security, there it is. So yeah, you don't need an antivirus for your Windows 10. If you got Windows 8 and 7, you still need it. Well, 7's retired, you shouldn't be using it anyways. But if you have Windows 7 and Windows 8, yeah, you still need an antivirus, and you can go with Avast or AVG, or there are several other ones out there that you can use. But yeah, if you have Windows 10, you don't need an antivirus, so you don't need to install it unless if you have a question regarding to your own personal computer, and if you need an independent antivirus based on your situation, and call me and ask, and I'll let you know if it's going to be relevant to you. But for the vast majority of the people in the world, Windows 10 security is going to be more than sufficient for you. So, but yeah, driver updates, like I said, I put that in the previous videos. Don't use them, don't buy them. And like I said, the updates are a part of the device driver updates are a part of your Windows updates. So I just wanted to put that out there so you guys were aware of it. So you could see that, yes, Windows does actually do that. So anyways, if you found the video useful, like and share, subscribe. Yes, I know if you're don't have a Google account, you can't subscribe. So one of my other videos is how to put the channel on your desktop so you can check it every day, because videos come out every day, 7 o'clock in the morning. Questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below if you can. If not, you can jump over to our Facebook page and leave them there. Or you could just give me a call if you have a question. So, yep, that's how you get a hold of us. Talk to you all later.